This slide showed the icon for Schoology and Pearson from your student portal. These are the two resources that we will most heavily use in math this year. I use Schoology for you to be able to figure out what you're doing. The daily calendar and the weekly calendar will all be posted there. Also, this is where you will go to find your daily ABA assignment, as well as the videos that you need to watch for our course. The final thing I do through Schoology is that I will be sending my email communications through that avenue. So students, you need to make sure that you have your alert set up so that you know when you receive a Schoology message. The second tab that you saw was the Pearson icon. Pearson is what curriculum we use in this course. They have an awesome online tool, and it has the book, it's got homework, it's got quizzes, and so we do assign a lot of our stuff through that. In a future slide, I'll talk about what math should look like if you're doing it using those resources. Having said that, don't worry, we do have textbooks that you can check out as well.